welcome to this little chat about you. First, let's agree that living in the fast-paced 21st century is like constantly driving through streets at Formula 1 speed. It's hectic and it's tiring. While we are busy running the fast lanes of demanding work and infinite luxuries in overdrive mode, do we know how far our bodies can take it? Here is the truth. We all are in a danger zone called oxidative stress. Let's see what it is. Pollution generates highly reactive molecules called free radicals. Our body mechanism produces natural antioxidants which counter these free radicals. But with rising pollution levels, faulty eating habits, and with lack of exercise, the body fails to produce enough antioxidants. Research suggests that oxidative stress has a negative effect on the heart, brain, liver, eyes, pancreas, lungs, and skin. The effect reaches right down to the blood vessels, microcapillaries, and blood cells. Increase in oxidative stress causes obesity, diabetes, heart problems, stroke, early aging, skin disorders, and eye disorders. How to tackle these problems without changing your lifestyle from scratch? Well, it's simple. Equip the body with super nutraceuticals, as we've done in On and On Spirulina Gold Capsules, a magic nutraceutical composition produced with the powerful spansulation technology. Every single capsule of Spirulina Gold unleashes the benefits of three effective nutraceuticals: spirulina, DHA, and citrus bioflavonoids. Spirulina is the richest source of omega fatty acids, protein, vital minerals, and vitamin B complex. Loaded with antioxidants, it maintains overall eye health, reduces bad cholesterol, helps to lower the blood pressure, reinvigorates the vital organs, and improves digestion. Spirulina nourishes and protects the skin, detoxifies the body from radiation and pollutants. It stimulates the immune system. It enhances concentration and reduces stress, anxiety, and nervousness to create a feeling of freshness and well-being. No wonder that the top-notch medical scientists of UN and WHO have declared spirulina as the most complete, balanced, and super nutritious food on earth. The second magic spear in On and On Spirulina Gold is a composition of DHA. It helps in brain development, keeps arteries clear, reduces inflammation. It helps in fighting with depression, provides relief in joint pain in arthritis, and lowers the aging process. The citrus bioflavonoid spears here are your ultimate superheroes in combating and defeating oxidation stress. Not only do they comprise the strongest of antioxidants, but they are vital for blood circulation and for maintaining and improving the respiratory organs. Citrus bioflavonoids play a crucial role in maintaining and enhancing capillary strength. On and On Spirulina Gold is a triple booster combination of spirulina, DHA, and citrus bioflavonoids, and it is 100% vegan medicine that is designed to make you feel energetic and to help you to stay fit and strong, no matter what your lifestyle is. So revitalize yourself and your family with On and On Spirulina Gold's magic spears. They are antioxidant, antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and anti-allergic. Remember, On and On Spirulina Gold's composition has received a seal of approval from Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Embrace life and feel lively with On and On Spirulina Gold.